What's the most messed up thing you've overheard? I overheard a guy in my school whom I didn't know because he was 2 years younger than me, telling someone over the phone that he didn't want to live anymore. He was so tired of being lonely all the time and getting bullied day in, day out. His crying pierced my soul. I was really popular at that time, had a lot of friends, was always pulling pranks with them, knew the teachers pretty well. So one day my best friend and I followed him to the bathroom. This sounds so weird, but we had been observing him and knew he hid in the toilets during breaks. And we kind of started a conversation about how his shirt was really cool and that we were fans of the same band as him. Then we invited him to sit with us, and we kept that up until we graduated. And to this day, we're still friends. I regularly checked up on him during the time I knew he was depressed, without ever telling him I had overheard his phone conversation. He's doing great now. He's in his second year of music academy. Such a sweet kid then, and still a great guy now.